like 27 degrees. Let's get into it. Bonjour everybody, and welcome back. I have had my breakfast at this beautiful little hotel called the Chateau de Palaya or something outside of Carcassonne, the medieval town of France. It was a lovely stay. I had a great little dinner last night, a couple of local wines, and now I'm heading to the Central Massif. It'll take me a pretty long time. The time is already 10:30 in the morning because it took so long to get ready to start, and they served a late breakfast. But yeah, I will be in Mons at around 4 o'clock, and then I am trying to go all the way to Lyon. Anyway, let's go. Just had to stop a little bit. It says it's a rock of some kind. I really had to check it out. Wow. Whoa. This is massive. It's like 27 degrees. Let's get into it. It's not easy to find the ways around here. It's small winding roads, and once I put the GPS on the shortest route, I get to go on the 90 kilometers an hour highway. Terribly boring. I really like to get up on these mountains, but I guess I have to do with this view, because it doesn't seem to be any route. Yeah, well, it is, I'm sure, but I can't find it, and I actually need to get going. I know you think I'm pretty stressed all the time, but yeah, I do have a limited time, so, and I I just rebooked my ferry trip so that I don't have to go until Friday at 10 o'clock in the evening instead of tomorrow. So I got a little bit more time, but I think I'm gonna have to do some autobahn in Germany. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get today, but we'll see. I mean, look at this. It is actually truly beautiful.